Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video, I will show you how to complete the ROOXIS Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster AC1200 setup using the manual browser method. If you are experiencing weak Wi-Fi signals in some areas of your home, this extender can help boost your wireless coverage and improve internet performance. Follow this step-by-step guide to quickly connect the extender to your router and extend your Wi-Fi network. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First, take the ROOXIS AC1200 Wi-Fi extender out of the box and plug it into a wall power outlet close to your main router. Once plugged in, the power LED light will turn on. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the extender to fully start. The device will automatically broadcast a default setup network. Keeping the extender near the router during the first setup ensures a strong and stable connection. On your phone, tablet, or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the open network named something like Wireless N. Open a web browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc. In the address bar, not the search box, type http://192.168.188.1. You will see a login screen. Use the default login credentials. Username is admin or password is also admin. Click Login or OK. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. A list will appear. Select your main Wi-Fi network, your router's name. Click Next. Enter the password of your main Wi-Fi router, not a new password. You can also change the extender's SSID, Wi-Fi name, or keep the default, usually adds _ext to your main Wi-Fi name. Click Next or Save. The extender will apply the settings and reboot. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for the LED to become stable again. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings again. You should now see your extended Wi-Fi name, like myhomewifi_ext. Tap it and connect using the same password as your main Wi-Fi router. Your extender is now connected and repeating your Wi-Fi signal to cover more area. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.